Do you want to give me the glue?
No.
No? Okay. You have it. You put some more stickies on. Very good. That's lovely. No, don't put the glue in the bowl. Glue on the paper. Put some more stickies on the paper. A green one. That's it. Stick it down. Oh! Good job, Jack. Yeah, some more on there. And put some more shapes on. Pink one. Oh yeah, press it down. That's it. More stickies, more shapes on. Oh, lovely. Oh. Yeah. That's it. Pick out some more shapes. Loads of shapes. Oh, that's okay. I'll get them. And not the glue in the bowl. Oh, that's not supposed to be in there. Thank you. Put the glue on the paper and then stick the shapes down.